Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to find your PIN inside your Roblox game. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's begin. Alright guys, open up roblox.com on any web browser. So this can be PC, laptop or even your mobile device. Please take note, you won't be able to find your PIN. The only option you got is to reset your PIN. So please take note of that. So I'll show you the steps how to do this. And then once you're inside Roblox, you want to click on the settings icon. So that's normally located on the top right hand corner. So you got user profile, notifications. You want to click on the gear icon. And then from here you want to click on help and safety. So give that a few moments to load to the next web page. And then inside here you want to go to the help center. Then once this page loads up, on the search bar here for search out articles, type in PIN, and this will bring a list of different options you can do here. So where it says Roblox account, look down, you'll see account settings. So click on I forgot the PIN. And then once here, it will say I forgot the PIN. Once a PIN is added to an account, it will be needed to make changes to the account settings. So click on the contact form here just below all that stuff, and this will get redirected to roblox.com support. And then from here, fill out the contact information. So your username, first name, which is optional, email address, confirm email address, issue details, type of help category, and then description of the issue. So I'll quickly fill out this form, and for you guys to follow on, have something similar to this. But obviously your username, email address will be different. So in the description, so what you need to do is say, I need to reset my PIN. And then once the rest of the form is filled out, click on continue, and then Roblox should receive that within 24 to 48 hours, and they'll get back to you to help you reset your PIN for your Roblox game. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.